Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my new tutorial of our TIA portal. So in this video we are going to learn about the word logic operations. In the word or logic operation, you will see there are four logics we are going to use: AND, OR, XOR and invert. We don't use the out of that because it is too hard to understand for you, and we are just only discussing basic. So first of all, we use that for AND because for whole registered it will give the answer of our whole registered, so I am going to use all that to understand you. It will convert, it will give result. First of all, the AND command will give result the whole registered, exact hexadecimal for whole registered the result. The OR command will give us or result of our both two registered. So you will see that I am going to change that to answer. First of all, I am going to using all that word, and you will see the result of that word. I am going to select the word for that, and I am going to select that MW0, MW2, MW4, MW4, MW6, MW8, W8, MW10, MW12, MW12, MW14. So I think my both logic has now created. Now I am going to use force table to describe you how that commands are going to work. So you will see. Going online. I am going online and open my watch table. I am going to add a tag 1 and 2 and 4 and 6 and 8 and 10 and 12 and 14. Now I am going to change all that one to binary. So you will easily understand the result. I am going to make online. So you will see our first command is in AND, and AND have MW0 and MW2. So we will see the AND result there. So you will see MW1 and both have AND result is 0 0 because 0 1 is 0, 1 0 is 0, 1 0 0. So that's why AND result showing to that. Now I am going to show you OR. So OR using MW4 and MW6. So you will see in the OR result, you will see MW4 and MW6. 0 1 is 1 and 1 1 is 1 and both 0, so the answer will 0. You will see these both 0, the third answer 0, so 0 1 1, 0 1 1, 0 0 0, 0 1 1, 0 0 1, 0 0 0, 0 0 0, 0 1 1, 0 0 1. Now I am going to XOR. Open XOR operation. So you will see how XOR operation will going to work. Now you will see I am using MW8 and MW10. I am going to MW8 and MW10. So both XOR operations have both opposite result. So you will see 0 0 0, 1 1 is 0, 1 1 is 0, 0 0 0, 1 1 0, 0 0 0, 1 1 0. If they are going to change to 1 0, so answer will 1. So that's XOR command going to work. Now you will see inverter. Invert the whole our binary digits. So you will see it will convert all that 0 to 1. So that's how these commands are going to work in our logics are going to work in our TIA portal. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and comments if you don't understand anything. And don't forget, in the description I give links of Windows SCADA, Ignition SCADA, as well as Factory IO tutorial, so you don't forget to watch this video to understand the whole logics operation. And thank you very much again for watching my video. So thank you very much.